Welcome back to Think Sprint IQ. Think science is easy? Test tube high voltage. Put your brain to the test with 40 exciting science questions that start simple. Which planet is known as the red planet? What gas do humans need to breathe? Which star gives Earth light and heat? What is the chemical symbol for water? Which sense organ helps you hear? What force keeps us on the ground? Which part of a plant makes seeds? Which gas do plants absorb from the air? Which is the hardest natural substance? What is the boiling point of pure water at sea level? Which blood cells help fight infections? Which planet is the largest in our solar system? Which vitamin is mainly produced by sunlight on your skin? Which organ pumps blood around the body? Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Which scientist proposed the 3 laws of motion? Which layer protects Earth from harmful UV rays? Which planet has the most visible rings? Which organ removes waste from the blood? Which instrument measures temperature? What is the smallest unit of an element? Which part of the cell contains DNA? Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? What is the center of an atom called? Which type of energy is stored in food? Which scientist developed the theory of relativity? Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Which planet rotates on its side? Which element has the chemical symbol Fe? Which wave can travel through empty space? Which process converts sugar into energy inside cells? Which scientist discovered penicillin? Which part of the human eye controls the amount of light entering? Which planet has the longest day compared to its year? Which particle has a negative electrical charge? Which scale measures earthquake magnitude? Which law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction? Which type of eclipse happens when the moon blocks the sun? Which planet has the strongest known winds in the solar system? Which subatomic particle determines the atomic number of an element? The quiz is over, but the learning never stops. Brain like, subscribe, and we'll test your brain again in the next challenge. See you soon.